Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a neon portrait like our Instagram trending neon photos. So before getting into the video, just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff. And follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop. Open the photo which you want to get edited. Now let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool, and just click on the plus icon and just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected. You can also use the pen tool to select that portrait or image. Now just right click on it and select layer by copy option, or directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make a duplication. So here you can see we have made a layer for the background. The very first thing we will do is just crop the image for our Instagram profile. So just press the crop tool and let's select the ratio 1:1, or you can also select 5:1 ratio for your Instagram profile. Or 8:10. Now all you need to do is just drag it and just place the object or the image in a perfect way. Now just hit enter. So you can see still more, you can just adjust it and decrease the size of the image. So here you can see we have cropped the image. Now let's add the background to the photograph. So go to the file, click on open, and let's just browse the background. Here is the background. Just drag it and drop over here to place the background. Just drag and drop over here. It is really very simple. Now the next thing would be to make your background a blur. So let's just blur the background. So go to the filter, select blur, and then select the box blur from there. And just make your radius to 30. And just hit OK. Now the important thing is to blur the edges of the subject. So let's just make the edges of the image blur. So let's select the blur tool from here, select the hard round brush, make the strength to around 80 or 90%, and just blur the edges of the subject to make it look more realistic. It is very much necessary that you should blur the edges of the subject in a proper way, so that it can make your photograph to look more realistic. So it is very much mandatory to blur the edges of the subject. So this is how you have to do the process of blurring. So here you can see we have almost completed the process of blurring. Now let's just make the hairs of the subject. So select the smudge tool and select the hard round brush, strength to around 60%, and just smudge it on the upward position or the upward direction to make it more, to make the hairs So this is how you have to make the image or the hairs of the subject. So here you can see we have made the hairs of the subject. Now let's select the burn tool and just make the hairs more black. This will actually make your subject to pop out. So just place the background in a perfect position. You can add some more black color over here. So let's just create solid color. Select the black color and go to this mask tool and just erase the unwanted. So here you can see we have just erased the unwanted black and just create a black in a perfect way. Now let's add some loops on the image, or sorry, we will add some more kind of overlays. So let's select this. Now just drag and drop this image over here and change the blending mode to screen. Now press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move it from the left to right, and you can just place it somewhere over here, or you can also rotate and just place the image in a perfect way. Make sure it looks more natural and realistic. So just adjust the neon lights in such a way. You can also select the eraser tool and just erase the unwanted areas from here. Now let's just go to the filter, select blur, and then select the box blur from there. And you can just blur the overlays if you want. To +10 and hit OK. Now still just duplicate the layer of the background and just place it on the top of every layer. Change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move the cursor from left to right, and press Ctrl T and just place it somewhere over here. So you can just keep it over here. Select the eraser tool and just delete these unwanted strokes of colors. Now just the next thing would be to merge all the layers. Before merging, just duplicate it and just press Ctrl T and just move it on this direction. and just place it somewhere over here. So here you can see we have added this, these strokes of neon lights on the image. It is really giving the image a very perfect and awesome look. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Again press the crop tool and just hit the enter button so that it will automatically crop the image. Now just duplicate the layer, go to the filter, then select the camera filter from there. Now let's go to the preset tab and let's add some preset on the image. And let's just add this preset and just hit OK. If you want to decrease the saturation, then you can just decrease the saturation from the image. Go to the UN saturation and just decrease the blue color and just hit enter. So here was our before and here is our after photo. It is really looking very much like a very cinematic. Now you can just decrease some opacity of the image. If you want to decrease, then you can also decrease the opacity. Now you can still add some more loots on the image. Let's add this loot. But this pink and blue color is actually looking very cinematic and awesome, so just keep it as it is. But you can still add some more kind of effect on it. So go to the exposure and just make an offset of the image. Now let's go to selective color and select the black color from there. And just decrease some blackness from the image. To -5. And you can add some kind of blue tone on the black color if you want to add. Or just keep as it is. Go to the curves and just click over here and one point over here. Just increase the blackness of the image. Now just merge all the layers from here, right click on it and select merge layers. So here you can see the before and here is the after photo. Your photograph is really looking very neon type Instagram trending portraits. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and this is a very unique concept for your Instagram profile. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just hit the like button and just press the subscribe button on our channel, and don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and just press the notification icon on website and also on the YouTube channel. Well guys, follow me on Instagram also. Well, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video.